I'm Akshita. I'm part of Creative Dignity. We're an innovative network of collaborative designers, artisan entrepreneurs, and enterprises from all over the country. We work focused on craft. We try and represent the craft sector at levels that it needs representation on. And we've collaborated with Triple ID for the Kala Utsav, and we have some 29 artisans here coming from all over the country working in different kinds of crafts. We have some pattu weaving from Rajasthan and some banana fiber from Karnataka and some bandhani from Gujarat. So everything is covered here. Most of the crafts that you see around the world, around the country, are here. And yeah, these crafts are mostly something that can be implemented into the interior designing field and also the architecture. And yeah, so it's a great platform for our artisans to come showcase the diverse culture India has. And we're just super excited to be here. We have 29 stalls here, but the collaborations are done with designers and different crafts. So there's coverage of more than 35 plus crafts here. There's interesting glass art that you can look at that can make interesting tableware or objects. We have banana fiber from Karnataka. They have beautiful lamps. Something from Rajasthan, they have the extra weft weaving, which is called the pattu weaving. So we have curtains, we have cushions, and yeah, we have pichwai paintings, we have some blocks, and everything that can go into an interior, into your house. And yeah, it's all covered here. It's amazing, there's a lot of interior designers and architects who are coming and who are actually appreciating the craft, who know how much time it goes on to take these, create these such beautiful products. So we're really appreciating the love that we're getting here, and also the kind of promotion the artisans are getting. They're feeling empowered, they're feeling good about being here, and meeting the kind of people that we're meeting here. I can't really say. I'm in love with all the crafts. There's nothing in particular that can be brought out. Everything's special in its own way.